Hi, and welcome to Learn with Emnet. Ever asked ChatGPT for a 30-minute story and only got 10? Today, I'll show you a simple trick to get your story time just right. Let's get started.
If you ever told ChatGPT or another AI tool to write a 30-minute story and it came out way too short, you are not alone. Here is the fix. Convert waste to time before generating your story. First, go to your Chrome browser and type waste to time. Click on the first results. No sign up needed. Keep the default reading speed at 130 words per minute. As you can see, unless you prefer fast or slow reading, then adjust it. Now, paste your story into the box. For example, I pasted a text that had 1000 words and the site told me it would take 7 minutes for 3 seconds to read, right? Now, want to generate a longer story? Scroll down the page, you will see estimate like 500 words is about 3 minutes 51 seconds, approximately 4 minutes. 1000 is 7 minutes 42 seconds. Let's just say 8 minutes. 3000 words is about 23 minutes 5 seconds. So let's just say 23 minutes. 5 seconds is not that much. So if I need a 40-minute story, I know I need around 5000 words. That is 10 paragraphs with 500 words each. Now I can tell ChatGPT, write me a 10-paragraph African folktale. Each paragraph should be around 500 words. This way, you are giving the AI exact instructions and your story will be the right length. So, try it in your next story prompt and watch the magic happen.
If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy AI tricks right here on Learn with Emnet. Be sure to stay connected in my next video. I'll show you how to find inspiration to style your avatar, from hair and outfits to accessories and more. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.